Hey guys, it's Drea. This is part 1 of my bullet lipstick declutter. I already did my liquid lipstick and lip gloss declutter. All of my declutters will be listed in the playlist down below in the description bar, but this one is going to be, I don't know, I decided to just do minis and MAC lipsticks in this video, and then we'll move on to like high-end bullet lipsticks and drugstore in another part of this video. So let's start with all my MAC stuff first. We'll just do them one at a time, I guess. All of these special packaging ones, I just can't see myself letting go of any of them. This one is really nude on me, but I just like it. And Nicki's Nude from Nicki Minaj. The Mariah Carey one is to die for packaging. I didn't love the color. Again, it's like very nude. It's even got her signature on the gold part and then a little butterfly on it, like so beautiful. And this one is the Kelly Osbourne collab, which I actually really like this color. This is called Candy Yum Yum. No, this is called Kelly Yum Yum. And so I think I'm going to keep all 4 of these. Now, the rest of these I'm not as attached to. So let's just see. I also have MAC Syrup, but that is in my purse because I'm panning it. So I'm definitely keeping that one. Okay, this is Nice to Meet You. This is one I'm pretty sure I'm ready to let go of. It's like this creamy reddish pink. I mean, I wore it a couple times, but not very many times. So it's been a long time since I wore that. Lustering, I really like this one a lot. It's a luster, so it sits really easily on the lips. I like this one. It's just kind of a natural pink. Twig is definitely a favorite. I really like it. Just a really nice everyday shade. So that one's going to stay for sure. This one is Velvet Teddy. Oh, I totally forgot that I had this because it's such a recent purchase. I have not worn it all that much. Okay, I really have to pull that into a Shop My Stash because I really like that one. And this one is Impassioned. It's an amplified. I love it. Like, I love it, but I just don't wear it a lot because it's so bright. And I think I'm gonna finally let this one go because I never wear it, so that one can go. This one is called Speak Louder. It's a cream sheen. It's kind of just like an everyday pink. Man, these all look very similar, don't they? But I literally never wear this. I think I've worn it once or twice, so that one is gonna have to go. And Diva, this one, I like it. It's not my favorite, but it's so different than everything else I have, so I'm definitely just gonna keep that one as well. Okay, so I kept 8 and got rid of 3. That's not terrible. So now let's talk about all these minis. Let's do all the Anastasia ones first because these are brand new. I just got these. I love each and every color of these, and I'm gonna keep all of them, so that was easy. Okay, all of these are Urban Decay ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them, I do believe. Yep, 5. Okay, so there's definitely a couple here that I'm not the biggest fan of. So this one is 1995. I don't really wear this one a lot. It's kind of similar to like those tones, but it's much more brown. I don't wear browns really ever, so I'm going to let that one go. Back Talk, this is, I think this was like a 100-point perk or something. Anyway, it looks really nice. It's just a really nice like mauve-y shade. I'm gonna keep that one. This one is Mad. This is a metallized purple glitter lipstick. I did a lip swatch video. This was a gift set that I got these little Urban Decay ones in. And I did a lip swatch video on all of them. And I haven't really worn this since that. And I don't really foresee myself wearing that. So that one can go. This one is called Violate. This is kind of like a cool tone pink. I kind of like that one enough to keep it. So we'll keep that one. And then this one is called Double Crossed. There's another one. Yes, I knew there was another one. Okay, hold on. This one is called Double Crossed. This one, I mean, I don't really wear shades like this, and also I don't like the texture. It's kind of gritty with the glitter in it, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna get rid of that one. This one I like. This is called Love Drunk. This is a comfort matte. It's just a really nice red. I've worn this a couple times. It looks really good on me. So I'm going to keep that one. I've got all these Bare Minerals. Actually, we're in the same video, lip swatched, as those Urban Decay ones because I bought them at the same time. There is a fourth Bare Minerals one, but again, I'm panning it, so it's in my purse. So these are all of like the Gen Nude formula. And then these ones are, what are they called again? I can't remember. There's something different though, like Statement Matte? Something like that. There's Statement something. Alright, Mantra, Love, and XOX. Mantra I'm pretty sure I like. I just wore it last month. Yeah, I do like that one. Love. I really like that one. And XOX. I think this is the one I'm not as big of a fan. No, actually I like that one too. I must be thinking of something else. Okay, I like all three of these. Hold up. It's this one I don't like. Okay, so this one is called Tease. And it's just this really like bubblegum pinky shade. So that one can definitely go. And then, oh, there's two reds in here. Alpha? I don't even remember this one. Oh, that's pretty, but the formula on these, for them being so like bright, it's a little streaky. So I don't know about this one. I don't think I need that. I think I have so much like that, actually. This one, NSFW, I actually really like on me. It's this weird, this one actually does look streaky, but somehow on the lips it works. I don't know, I like it. It's kind of a sheer version of Diva, isn't it? But I like it enough to keep it. And then this one's called Sursly Red, like SRSLY. And I do like this one too. Yeah, it's different than that Love Drunk. Okay, we're gonna keep this one, but I have to make an effort to wear that one. And I'm gonna keep these ones. I've got 3 Marc Jacob minis. These ones just came to me one way or the other in like for free over the years. I know I like Slow Burn, this one a lot. This one's really, really pretty. I'm not going to swatch everything. I'm falling into that trap of swatching everything. This one is Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, and this one is Je T'aime. I used to like this one, but I don't think I like it as much as I used to. Yeah, I don't really wear it that often. And then this one, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. What a terrible place to swatch something, but that one is much better, but I don't know. I just don't think I really need either one of these. I'm gonna keep Slow Burn. I might as well just swatch it for you now at this point. Yeah. It's just a really nice nude. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this Marc Jacobs and get rid of these two. I just don't need them. I never use them. And then we are down to just like randos. This Bobbi Brown one, this is called Sand Wash Pink. I have not worn this a lot. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I need to remember to wear this. That's really pretty. So that one stays. This Guerlain in 325. It's just a really sheer pinky red, and I mean, I've tried to love it, but I just don't. So we're gonna get rid of that one. This one, Laura Mercier in Devotion. It's not the kind of thing that I love to wear. It's a little too deep. So I'm going to get rid of that one. I don't need that. This is actually like a gloss. I'm not sure why it's in here. It's really pretty. That's from Lancome. But I literally have not worn this in over a year. It's called Raspberry something or other from the Lip Lover. I don't know. It's so tiny I can't even read it. But it's very pretty on, but I never wear it, so that should go. This is a Bite Beauty one in Licorice. I got this in one of those Sephora Gimme Some Lip sets. That's very close to Diva. I don't need this. I have not worn it since I think I did a lip swatch video for that one too. I don't remember. Anyway, I haven't worn it since then. This one is Hooligan from Buxom. This one is very old. Let me just give it a smell test. Well, it still smells fine, but this one is probably like almost 3 years old. you know what? It's pretty, but again, I can't even tell you the last time I wore this, so this needs to go. So here's everything I'm keeping on this side. This is everything I'm getting rid of on this side. Not quite 50%, but I think I did a decent, okay job. Yeah, that's it for today. Definitely subscribe. I have more declutters coming. I am about to do my full lipsticks in a minute, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.